Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote here. I'm going to do a video today that's going to revisit a technique that we did earlier on our rusted iron gun. We're going to do basically the acetone battlewear technique, and we're going to expand on it a little bit to kind of show a little more detail and a little more on the nuts and bolts of how the technique works. And what that is, we've got an 870 here in the shop that's got some surface pitting. It's not real bad, it's not real deep pitting, but it's enough that once you put a fresh coat of Cerakote on there and have a nice clean finish, it's going to be really obvious that the pitting is there. So what will happen when we do this battlewear is it will actually fill in that pitting with the black that we're going to use, and with the overall effect will make it look like it's part of the effect instead of looking like some just really glaring damage to the weapon. So what we're going to do, we've already got it sanded down, and we sanded it about 90 psi to get it down to bare metal. We've plugged the chamber of the tube in the muzzle, and we're going to spray on a coat of Noveske Bazooka green as the base. We'll hang it on the rack, air cure it, pop it in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes to get it tack free. Bring it out, let it cool, and then we're going to spray on some graphite black. And what we'll do with that graphite black, you don't want the graphite black, your battlewear color, to be that full 1 mil, but what you do want to do with it is completely cover the green. You want to go over it enough to mask the color that's underneath. After that, we'll hang it on the rack, let it air cure, pop it in the oven, and what you want to do is get it to where it's no longer wet, but it's not tacked out. And what we found out is if you tack it all the way out, then it's really hard to go back with that acetone and wipe it off. So you want it in that sticky zone, kind of in between the wet and the tack free. So if you've got it to that point where you touch it and it's not wet but it's sticky, that acetone will just wipe it right off. And what you're going to do with the technique is wipe probably 90% of that black back off with a rag. So we'll do that, we'll bring it back here in the booth, and we'll actually do the battlewear in here. And then once it's done, you just pop it in the oven at 300 for an hour, hard bake it, and it'd be good to go. As usual, we won't be talking after this, so I'll go ahead and get the other things out of the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments down below or contact me directly. Our contact info is on our website. And as always, there'll be some pictures at the end of the finished project. Thanks for watching and have a great day.